I'm Zakones from Israel. I just visited in Canada. I'm at Harvester Bikes and I'm gonna show you my step. I got the BSD Waza frame and the matching Waza handlebars with the ODI gum grips, animal bar ends. Got the demolition stem. Got the Odyssey fork. Shout out to B7MX crew out in Israel and Night Rider. I got the Duo red wool tires. I got the BSD hub with a daily grind hub guard with plastic pegs I made by myself. Cinema rim. Let's go over here. I got right now I got the new Eclat and Eclat sprocket from Harvester. I got Eclat pedals, premium seat, animal seat post, and in the back I have the Eclat hub with a Primo Balance rim. That's about it. And I have here the matzah for Passover. Doing for the Porsche Cayenne.